Okay, let's make this fun, easy, quick fall DIY using items from the Dollar Tree. So I have this picture frame from the Dollar Tree, and then I have these little foam bowls. They're not from the Dollar Tree. I get them like in a big box, but I do have, you can probably get them at Dollar Tree. I have skewers, and then I have these little wooden logs. I'm going to cut the big ones in half. You don't have to cut them in half, but I wanted to cut mine in half. And then I'm just going to line them up to see how many I need. I grabbed a few more small ones. This is how the box comes. I got it from Amazon. It's just a big box of the foam balls. So once I had enough for what I wanted to do, I'm just going to play around with it. I have these little wooden stumps right here, but they're too long for me. So I'm just cutting one in half. And then I'm going to use the little Dollar Tree skewers on top. I was going to do a bunch of three on the top of each of the small ones, but then I ended up changing my mind at the end. But you can just cut those off, snap them in half. You can, however, just to make them the length that you want. And then I took out any color that I had that was fall, like so I took out like browns, orange, this one green. I wanted a green one. The color didn't give me the color that I want when I mixed them, but I wanted like a pretty green one, but I took the spice colored one and I painted the foam ball, the half foam ball. So I'm just painting like two of each color, if that makes sense. So you can do it whatever color combination you want. You can do these in a nice, pretty, like off white. I love those color pumpkins, but I just painted mine different colors just to give them that earthy pumpkin look. So, like I said, I mixed that green in there, and it gave an earthy color. It did for sure, but it wasn't the green that I wanted. But that was okay because it still gave an earthy type look. So I didn't use all the colors that I had pulled out. I just used a few of them. This orange was a little bit brighter than I wanted, but again, that was okay because it gave it just an extra little pop. And then I have this sign from the Dollar Tree. I picked it up. They had put it out early, but I've already used the middle piece, so I'm just going to use the top piece for that. I glued that down to the picture frame. I had to put it on kind of an angle because it was kind of too big. Then I'm just going to wrap around some twine around the pumpkin. No specific order, like pattern or anything like that. I'm just hot gluing it back and putting it around. But just to give it like that pumpkin look, you can also get, I have pumpkins that I have gotten from Dollar Tree last year around fall time that you can get to put here. But this is if you don't have pumpkins, you can do it this way. So I'm just going to do that and hot glue them down. I'm stacking some of them up. So it looks like, kind of like a little pumpkin patch. And then I'm taking some Spanish moss that I got from Dollar Tree also, and just taking a little bit and putting it on the top of the pumpkin there, and then hot gluing that down. You can use a little bow or something like that. You can use a combination. But then I'm taking the little wooden stump that I cut and gluing it down. And you can see it's already giving it, like, in my mind, a little pumpkin look to it. So I'm just going to continue to do that with the rest of the pieces. And it's just real easy, real simple. I thought about adding some other wording to this, another little thing in the corner over there, but I decided to leave it just this simple. But you can take this to another level. You can put a cute little bow. You can do so many different things. This is when I was thinking about putting them in a bunch of three, and I took some twine, some white ribbon, and I was thinking about putting little bows, but no, I didn't do it. And then I realized I didn't even need the bunch of three that I was going to do. So I just did one of the little skewer pieces in each of the smaller pumpkins, just real quick, real simple. And then I went back and added a ton more of the Spanish March. I glued some on the bottom, like in the little gaps there, and I glued some more on the top, just to give it that fall type festive look. And this is how it came out. So if you like these kind of DIYs, make sure to follow along for more.